What is going on, guys? Matt Branch here. Today, I want to talk about why you are wasting money on paid leads when you could just be generating organic leads that want to buy from you. Now, specifically, my experience is in the insurance industry, but I'm very sure that this transitions to any sales job, whether you're selling cars or potatoes. I believe that if you can generate an organic lead, the odds of that deal closing are significantly higher than if you had to pay for that lead via a vendor. Now, I'm specifically talking about lead vendors, not like the leads, the marketing that you can create where you can target a specific audience. I'm talking about lead vendors where you buy a list of leads and you spend all day calling these leads, getting hung up on, getting yelled at, or booking meetings from those people and them not showing up. Now, the reason why I'm making this video is because this year alone, I spent $10,000 on paid vendor leads that have underperformed for me. I've called them, I've talked to them, and they're just not as convinced as the people who are coming to me via my organic social media strategies. For example, I will call someone, they'll be very receptive, I'll have a sales meeting with them and they'll no-show. Or I will call them, they'll be like, who is this? What are you talking about? And then they'll yell at me or they'll just hang up. That's not the way to do things in 2024. The best way to generate a lead in 2024 is organic social media marketing and stop wasting money on paid vendors. If you guys want to start attracting customers and clients and stop forcing things down people's throats and feel like a better person, what I want you guys to go do is the following. Number one, go create a business TikTok account, create an Instagram account that you'll post reels to, and start posting YouTube shorts. Also, if you want, just a little added bonus, start posting YouTube videos about your product, about your service, about yourself. Now, I want you to start posting one video a day across all those platforms, and if you have the capacity, post even more. These videos don't have to be super edited like you see Alex Hormozi editing or Iman Ghazi. Just have to post organic, easy to understand, educational content about your service, product, so on and so forth. And I really emphasize being creative about what you're posting. Be silly, be funny, be serious, whatever you want, whatever your personality is, I want you to replicate that the most on your content. Now, there is a little bit of a build-up period for TikTok, and I'm not sure about Instagram, but you have to reach a certain amount of followers before you can get a link in your bio. And what you're gonna wanna do, obviously, just keep reposting and repeating what I've told you to do. Put the link in your bio, whether that's your website or a landing page. You wanna start driving traffic to that landing page. Now, once all that's said and done, and you have the link in your bio, the type of content you wanna start posting is this exactly. Talk about your product, talk about your service, talk about why it would benefit this type of person. At the end of the video, you say something along the lines of this. If you guys are interested in this exact service, I'm setting these policies up for XYZ type of person. Click the link in my bio for more information. I'd love to help you out. That's all you need to do, guys, and just replicate that. I know that sounds very easy and it's easier said than done, but I promise you, if you stay consistent over the next year and post one video across all those platforms each and every single day of the year, you will generate leads that not only will buy from you, that want to buy from you, and you're gonna be able to build a community. And what you should do is start squeezing those leads as much as possible and generate referrals and get introduced to new people from each lead that you've closed. That is the way to do business in 2024. Don't keep buying stupid leads from these vendors that underperform, make you look like an idiot, and make you feel like you're chasing nothing. Start generating organic leads through your own social media platforms that not only builds a community and an audience, that also allows you to close business and feel good doing it rather than chasing all the time. So guys, with all that said, please stop buying trash leads from these vendors that don't care about your success and underperform constantly and make you have to chase something that probably will never happen, which is closing a deal. And if you do close a deal, it'll be one of 2 out of 1,000 people you call. Let's start generating organic leads that not only build your audience and build your community, generate you leads that want to buy from you, that like you, and that trust you. That's the way to do business in 2024. Guys, that's going to be it for this video. I'm really curious. let me know below how you guys are generating leads for yourself in 2024 and how you're kind of going about getting leads. Talk about your experience about buying leads from lead vendors. Has it been good? Has it been bad? How you guys started organic lead generation in your businesses? I'd love to know. And last but not least, if you guys can do me a solid and subscribe to this YouTube channel and like this video, that would mean the world to me. Let me know if you guys want to know exactly how I generate organic TikTok leads. I'll do a full video on it, on how I'm getting leads from TikTok and how I'm closing them and the sales process, so on and so forth. But with that said, I'll let you guys go. Thanks so much for sticking around till the end. Peace.